Hello, everyone. This is Brian Kuzdas. I'm the CEO and co-founder of S2A Modular, bringing you another Modular Minute. Today's talk is going to be on the advantages of building modular, and we're on advantage number 8, state inspections. Now, when you buy a piece of land and you need to get that land permitted, it starts at the local municipality. Once the permit gets in our hands and we're building this home, in the modular method, we're building 90% of the home away from that local municipality in a factory, and that's where it's getting inspected. The huge advantage of this is that there's inspectors on the premises almost every day because you're building hundreds and hundreds of homes in the factory. So it's going down the line, getting stamped approved, going down the line, stamped approved. Then it gets shipped. It gets installed into this foundation, and that's where the local municipality takes over. But there's only 10% left. Huge, huge speed advantage. Let me give you another way of looking at this. Have you ever watched a home being built outdoors, the traditional stick-built method, where you'll see the contractors there every day for maybe, 8 days in a row, right? And all of a sudden they're gone. Husband, wife look out the window. Hey, honey, I don't see the contractors today. They must be on another job. No, they're waiting for the inspectors. Is it the next day? Mm-hmm. Is it the next week? Is it the next month or two? You could be the best GC in the world. You're the general contractor here at the top, and you've got all of your subs lined up. You've got your project management software all in place. You get backed up by some local municipality for a month or two, you are handcuffed. All of a sudden, your trim guys go to that job site, your electricians go there, your plumbers go there. This is why it literally can take 12 months, 15 months, 18 months to build a simple 2,500 square foot home. Huge, huge advantage on the modular side with state inspections at the factory level. Anyway, this is another Modular Minute. I hope you enjoyed and hope to look forward to your participation down the road as well. Take care.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.